everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm John, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a fire with a natural bird's nest, a cotton ball, and a ferro rod. And if you're wondering why I'm laughing, Cameron is behind the camera. Here's the bird's nest I found. There's a cotton ball, here's a ferro rod, and of course I need some kind of knife type thing to actually strike the ferro rod with. So let's get to it. Right here is just a bunch of deadfall I literally found on the ground 5 minutes ago. It rained yesterday, but that ain't gonna stop me from making a fire. So first step is to just sit here, lay this down, and break off your different types of like wood that you're gonna need. Alright guys, so after a couple failed attempts at this, I'm going to retry it. And my ember is out, so I have a little bit of a cotton ball left out over, so let's try this one more time. I'm not trying to rush it. Give it some air. Alright guys, thanks for watching. My voice is messed up after all breathing in the smoke. This fire took way longer than I will admit it took to make.